Coordinate geometry is very important part of your curriculum. It's not only important for junior cert, but this area will expand a lot for the leaving cert. So we really need to get those basic knowledge. The coordinate diagram below shows part of N22 road in County Cork. 2 points on the road P and Q are marked on the diagram, and we can see we have point P and point Q. So the point Q has coordinates 6, 2, and it does have 6 for x and 2 for y. Write down the coordinates of point P. So first is what? X coordinate and then y coordinate. So for P, x is what? -1. And the y coordinate, we go across to y-axis and we read that is 3. Then the next part is saying the equation of the line PQ is. So they give us an equation of the line. Now, one thing about equation of any line in coordinate geometry, we have to understand that this x and y, the reason why they are letters, because they represent coordinates of every point that makes that line. The reason why they are letters is because every point will have different coordinates. So this x and y will represent the coordinates of P, -1 and 3, but as well it will represent coordinates of Q, 6 and 2. So that's the reason why they are letters, because each of the point I'm going to pick on the line is going to have a different coordinates. So we have to, using this or otherwise, find the coordinates of the point where the line PQ crosses the y-axis. So there is a bit of knowledge that we need to know here. So when the line cutting the y-axis, always the x-coordinate is going to be 0, and we have to find the y-coordinate. When the graph is cutting the x-axis, the x-coordinate we have to find, but the y-coordinate is 0. This is important knowledge. It's not only going to be applicable for junior cert, but as well in leaving cert. And very often we forget about it. So here we are talking about the y-axis. That means when x is 0. So this x and this y represent that point. So in this case, the x is 0 and we are looking for y. So we take that x and we replace with 0. So 0 plus, the rest is the same. So 7y equal 20. Now, 0 plus 7y is just 7y, but we don't want 7 multiplied by y. We want y. So how do we get rid of multiplication? We divide, and we divide both sides of the equation, because 7 divided by 7 is 1, and 1 multiplied by y is y. So therefore, my y is 20 over 7. So the coordinates here is 0 and 20 over 7.